In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on email notifications in Google Forms. If you've ever worried about missing a new submission, this quick setup will make sure an email lands in your inbox the moment someone fills out your form. We'll keep it simple, clear, and fast. First, open your Google form. You can do this from your Google Drive or directly from the Forms homepage. Make sure you're signed in with the Google account where you want the notifications to arrive. This matters because notifications are sent to the account currently editing the form. If you're working in a shared workspace, confirm you have edit access to the form before moving on. Once your form is open, look along the top of the page for the main tabs. You'll see questions, responses, and sometimes settings depending on your view. Click on the Responses tab. This is where Google Forms gathers all the submissions. You'll notice a summary of results, and you might also see icons for linking to a spreadsheet. You don't need to connect a spreadsheet for notifications to work, but it's good to know this is where your response management tools live. With the Responses tab active, look for the More Options menu, which appears as 3 vertical dots near the top right of the Responses section. Click that menu. In the drop-down, select Get Email Notifications for new responses. When you choose this, Google Forms enables email alerts for the account you're using right now. There's no complex confirmation. Once it's checked, you're set. From this point on, every new form submission will trigger an email to your inbox, helping you catch updates in real time. A couple of quick tips to make this smoother. If you want to pause alerts later, return to the same menu and click the option again to uncheck it. If multiple collaborators want alerts, each person can turn notifications on from their own account. If your inbox gets busy, consider creating a filter in your email to automatically label or star messages coming from Google Forms. And remember, this setting doesn't change who owns the form or who can view responses. It simply adds an alert for new entries. That's all it takes. Open your form, go to the Responses tab, and turn on Get Email Notifications for new responses. With this enabled, you'll stay on top of submissions without constantly refreshing the form. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with instant updates.